From the Pasadena Media Center, this is News Brief for Friday, April 8, 2022. Pasadena has reported 28,236 COVID-19 cases and 412 COVID-related deaths as of Thursday, April 7th. The LA County Board of Supervisors urged Congress to approve additional COVID-19 funding to ensure continued access to vaccinations, testing, and care for virus patients. The board unanimously approved Supervisor Hilda Solis's motion to formally urge President Biden and members of Congress to negotiate an agreement that continues funding for COVID health measures. In a statement, Solis said, "With these resources, our county, with our federally qualified health centers, hospitals, and community partners, has created an extensive testing network supported by a massive vaccination effort with large-scale and mobile vaccination sites, distributed PPE to our most vulnerable, and delivered life-saving therapies and treatments to those with COVID-19. Senator Anthony Portantino has introduced SB 987, the California Cancer Care Equity Act. The proposed measure would address disparities in cancer patient access for Medi-Cal patients. More than 187,000 Californians are diagnosed with cancer every year, and many of them will be misdiagnosed or placed on inappropriate or ineffective treatment. Patients receiving care from designated specialists saw a 53% reduction in mortality, but less than half of California cancer patients receive care aligned with national guidelines. SB 987 will improve cancer care access, cancer care outcomes, and patient experience by enhancing Medi-Cal patient access to necessary clinical expertise and resources. The bill parallels the current Medi-Cal coverage model that allows Medi-Cal beneficiaries to have access to certain life-saving care services. SB 987 expands the existing set of care diagnoses for which such enhanced access is provided to include clinically necessary cancer care services, and would also require Medi-Cal managed care providers to inform enrollees of their eligibility to receive enhanced care. The City Council voted unanimously to name the new park being constructed at 701 East Union Street Playhouse Village Park. The City Council also decided to name the stage area Van Halen Stage in honor of the legendary rock band which formed in Pasadena. City staff had proposed to name the park Octavia Butler Park in honor of the award-winning science fiction author. But during a hearing, Council member John Kennedy motioned for Playhouse Village Park instead. In raising his motion, Kennedy said naming the park Playhouse Village Park is more appropriate. An online survey asking the public for possible park names resulted in more than 3,400 votes for Van Halen guitarist Eddie Van Halen, 526 votes for Octavia Butler, and 135 for Playhouse Village and similar variations. The Van Halen family requested that the stage area be named in honor of the entire Van Halen band. City staff accommodated the request and proceeded to recommend the name Van Halen Stage before the City Council. The park is scheduled to be completed by summer. For Pasadena Media, I'm Joe Carbonetta.